These garage door extension springs are purpose-built for standard 7-foot-high doors that weigh around 120 pounds, giving most single doors a reliable lift and smooth travel. The double-looped ends feel sturdy and secure during installation, which helps the springs stay seated properly through thousands of open and closed cycles. Their relaxed and fully stretched lengths are well matched to common residential hardware, so they integrate cleanly with existing tracks and brackets without awkward adjustments. The green color coding follows industry standards, making it easy to confirm you are pairing the correct springs to your door weight and avoiding mismatched components. The included heavy-duty pulleys, safety cables, hooks, and adjustment clips create a complete upgrade kit that improves both performance and safety compared with worn original parts. Overall, this set offers a durable, long-lasting solution that restores a balanced, easy-to-lift garage door while adding extra peace of mind through built-in safety features.